Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on Krystal Wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's get to the video. First of all, tap open the Krystal application from your app drawer. Whenever you open up the application, you will need to enter the 6-digit passcode. The passcode on your Krystal Wallet works as a password. Since there is no dedicated change password function available in your Krystal Wallet, but you can change your passcode that is required to get access to your wallet. So let me show you how you can easily change your passcode. Once you're logged into your Krystal Wallet, from the main homepage, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. From the settings menu, tap on change PIN under security. Enter the 6-digit passcode you are currently using for your wallet with the help of the keypad. Now, enter the new passcode you would like to set for your wallet and retype in your passcode once again. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update your PIN code. So that is how you can easily change your password on Krystal Wallet. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss out another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.